Having trouble with your Windows 11 PCs freezing or not responding? No worries. I've got some simple solutions to help you out. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Then in the search box, type Windows Explorer. Next, right-click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. Once it's restarted, see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Update your graphics card driver. You can do this in 3 ways. Method 1. Using Windows Update. Open Settings, then click on Windows Update. Then hit Check for Update. Windows will take care of updating any outdated drivers, including your graphics driver. Method 2. Using Device Manager. For this, type Device Manager in the search box. Then open Device Manager. Next, expand Display Adapters by clicking on the little arrow. After that, right-click on your graphics card name. Then select Update Driver. Now click on Search Automatically for drivers. Device Manager will find and install any available updates for your graphics driver. Method 3. Download from manufacturer's website. Alternatively, you can visit your graphics card's manufacturer's website. Just download the latest graphics driver. Then install it on your computer. Reboot your system. This should take care of the freezing, unresponsiveness issues. And that's it. You've sorted out the desktop freezing or not responding problem in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.